Did you know you can play Minecraft on your PSP? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. A jailbroken PSP, a PSP USB cable or a memory card reader, a computer to transfer the necessary files onto your PSP's memory card, and of course the Minecraft PSP port or homebrew file. Don't worry, I'll leave the download link in the description below. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Since the PSP doesn't officially support Minecraft, we'll use a homebrew port called Minecraft PSP, made by Regan Studio TM. Head over to the link in the description, download the zip file. If you're using a PSP 1000 or FAT model, download the 3.2.1 FAT version. If you're using a PSP 2000/3000 or Slim models, download the 4.4 Pre-14 version. Once it's downloaded, extract it. Now that we have the game, it's time to transfer it to your PSP's memory card. There are two ways to do this. USB connection. To transfer files directly, make sure USB Auto Connect is enabled on your PSP. Memory card method. If you don't have a PSP cable and are using a microSD card with a memory stick adapter, you can transfer files using a memory card reader. I've also linked a microSD to MS stick adapter in the description in case you need one. Once connected, open the PSP folder. Then go to the game folder. This is where you'll paste the Minecraft PSP folder. And that's it. You've successfully installed Minecraft on your PSP. Now let's try it out. On your PSP, navigate to the game menu. You should see Minecraft PSP listed there. Select it. Wait a moment for it to load. And boom, you're now running Minecraft on your PSP. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Minecraft on your PSP with just a few simple steps. Keep in mind, this is a homebrew version, so it's not the full Minecraft experience. It's closer to the creative mode of Minecraft. You can build, explore, and mine, but survival mechanics are limited. Still, it's really impressive to see Minecraft running on a PSP, and it's super fun to mess around with. If you want to see more PSP tutorials such as playing GBA games on PSP, PSP Reshell, Battery Mod and others, feel free to visit my YouTube channel to see more PSP related videos. I'll catch you on my next video.